Hey everybody, it is Jay Gainer Jay Gainer 21.03 is here. So sorry I didn't make videos for a while. So um I just been kind of lazy and I've been doing a lot of stuff lately. Yeah, like back in 5 weeks ago, I had COVID. Yeah, and in the second week, my grandfather died, all this stuff. Like, yeah, it's been all this drama going on for me for the past 2 months for me. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't make videos for a while. So anyways, I'm about to show y'all the computer I just built. So it's pretty exciting to see. Okay, I want to present y'all my new, not present, the computer I just made. Okay, here it is. This is the computer I made, and it looks really good. So I bought these keyboards. Yeah, and they're kind of cheap to buy. And a mouse. It came with this keyboard, so I'm really appreciated to get it. Yeah, this is supposed to be this is my old TV anyway. Yeah. Well, you know why it's my old TV. Well, yeah. This is actually my new TV in the wall. But I had that for about 1 year already. So, um, so, so this is my computer. Actually, well, so this is actually my old laptop. Is my computer. Yeah, my old laptop screen right here is broken. Like it won't work at all. Yeah, so that's why I turned this into a desk top. So I can make it's gonna be easier to make videos into it, all kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty good at making internet. Not internet. Okay. Yeah, and hold on, let me fix this. Okay, fix. Yeah, so this is my computer. So so I have to buy some. So I had to get some speakers. Like I might get it for Christmas, like that. Yeah, and I'll get the face cam. Yeah, yeah, and I do got a laptop. Yeah, like laptop. This is. Well, I already showed y'all my laptop about about a few months ago. Like I always put it like right here in the shelf, so it's a good spot. Yeah, the laptop is just like for Portal, like all this stuff. Like I still customize my channel in it, but this will be helping making some videos, all that kind of stuff, y'all. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. But this PC is not really finished yet. Like it needs some three new things. Three new things like the speakers like that. I might get a face cam. I might get a microphone or something else like that. I don't know which of the third ones or others like that. So yeah, so that's all. That's all the videos. I mean, so that's all the thing I showed y'all. So thanks for watching this video. I promise to make some more videos soon. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like and leave a comment down below and make a comment. And peace.